Welcome to my channel Flights Assistance. First time flight journey tips. Arrive early with ID ready. No luggage limits and TSA rules. Pack light with carry-on essentials. Dress comfortably for varied temperatures. Listen for boarding zones. Stow bags securely. Follow all crew safety instructions carefully. Stay hydrated, stretch when possible. Crew can assist first-time flyers. Here are some useful tips for your first flight journey. Arrive early to the airport. For domestic flights, aim to arrive at least 2 hours before departure time. For international flights, it's best to get there 3 hours early. This ensures you have plenty of time for checking bags, going through security, and finding your gate. Have your ID and boarding passes easily accessible. Have them out and ready to show at check-in security and when boarding at the gate. Pack light and know what you can and can't bring on the plane. Familiarize yourself with TSA regulations on liquids and potential dangerous items. Stick to the limits for carry-on bags to avoid checked bag fees. Pack essentials like snacks, medications, headphones, and a neck pillow in your carry-on. Bring an empty water bottle that you can fill post-security. Be prepared in case of delays or cancellations. Wear comfortable shoes and clothing. Airports and planes can require lots of walking. Dress for layers in case temperatures vary. Relax during boarding. Listen for your zone route to be called before getting in line. Stow your carry-on securely and settle into your seat. Know seatbelt protocols when the use of electronics is permitted, and how to contact flight attendants if needed. Move carefully around the plane and follow crew instructions about staying seated at certain times. Drink lots of water and stretch when you are able to. The more you prepare and familiarize in advance, the smoother your first flight will be. Let the crew know it's your first time if you have any questions or concerns. They are there to help. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.